cohesion, low cohesion. A class is designed from a point of view of multiple tasks. This is bad because it has two drawbacks: high maintenance and no reusability. So, in some situations, we have low cohesion. So, low cohesion means a class is designed from point of view of having multiple tasks. So, when a task, when a class is designed for doing multiple tasks, that means it is doing multiple tasks, then it has some drawbacks, like it is high maintenance. That means it is doing multiple tasks, so it is maintenance. It has maintenance means we have to change lot of parameters because it is doing multiple tasks. So tasks are more, parameters are more. And no reusability. That means as it is doing multiple tasks, then it cannot be reused a lot. That means it is not dedicated for a single task. So it has low reusability. Now high cohesion. A class is designed from a point of view of a single task. This is good because it gives you two advantages. First, low maintenance and reusability. So it is opposite of low cohesion because it is dedicated to single task, so it has low maintenance and reusability is more. Now high cohesion is also called as SRP, which is single responsibility principle. High cohesion is when you have a class that does a well defined job. So when you have a class that is doing a well defined job, low cohesion is when a class does a lot of jobs that don't have much in common. Let's take this example. You have a class that adds two numbers. That means a plus b. Number a plus number b. You have a class that adds two numbers, but the same class creates a window displaying the result. This is low cohesive class because window and adding operation don't have much in common. Window is visual part of the program and adding function is logic behind it. That means we have two numbers, number a, number b, and after that it is showing a window. So window is a visual part and adding function is a logic behind it. So it has two attributes. First, not attributes, two parts. That means it is showing a visual part which is window and it is adding two numbers which has logic behind it. So it is low cohesive. Now high cohesive solution. To create a high cohesive solution, you would have to create a class window and a class sum. So class window and a class sum. The window will call sums method to get result and display it. This way you will develop separately the logic and GUI of your application. Coupling, loose coupling and tight coupling. Tight coupling is when you instantiate a concrete class. If the requirement is changed, your code will break. Example class application, void perform, program to implementation. Triangle T is equal to new triangle T draw. In the above case, application is tightly coupled with triangle class. Here if we decide to change implementation, example circle class, we need to change perform function. That is we will be having maintenance drawback. Loose coupling. So there is difference between tight and loose coupling. Now loose coupling, instead of instantiating concrete class, you have a pointer to base class and polymorphically methods can be invoked. That means instead of instantiating concrete class, even if the requirement is changed in future, we don't have to make any changes in the code. Now let us discuss this with an example. Now class application, program to interface, void perform shape pointer, ptr draw. In the above case, application class and particular implementation of shape are loosely coupled. So void perform shape ptr. So shape can be any. Now another example, tight coupling, four-wheeler drive, bus drive, car drive, truck drive. Class driver, void perform, car C new car, C dot drive. Loose coupling, void perform four-wheeler, F dot drive. So four-wheeler can be any vehicle, that means car, bus, etc. So it is loose coupling. This is tight coupling.